Hello everyone! In this video series, you'll learn pretty much everything about GitHub Actions. In this part 1 of the video, you'll learn about just basic concept of GitHub Actions. Here's some content we'll cover over the next few videos of this series. This list is not yet completed, and this will get filled as we make progress with our videos later. First 2 videos, where the first video is one that you're seeing right now, while the second video is about how to say hello world with GitHub Actions are set to go. But other topics like sending a simple message with the GitHub Actions, automating GitHub repository features with the GitHub Actions, CI/CD, that's continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery with GitHub Actions, self-hosted learners, and any other videos or not in any particular order. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so why GitHub Actions? Let's ask this question before we get to jump right into GitHub Actions. Well, you have many choices when it comes to CI/CD tool. There is Jenkins, which is probably the most famous CI/CD tool out there. There are also Travis CI, Circle CI, Harness, Tekton, Argo, etc. etc. But GitHub Actions is built right into GitHub and is a super easy way to get started with automation process, whether it is about DevOps or anything else you want to automate. There are a few reasons where GitHub Actions shine. First, and probably the biggest benefit, is it easy to get started. GitHub Action is built right into GitHub repos and is even possible to learn without installing anything in your computer. Previously, I used Jenkins, Azure DevOps, and Argo, and I can confidently say that GitHub Actions was the easiest one to get started. For developers, this matters a lot because they want to get things done right away without worrying too much about the infrastructure details underneath. The huge simplified learning curve is definitely a plus. And from pricing perspective, GitHub Action is quite inexpensive. Public repos are free, and you can create your own self-hosted learners to move the codes into your own infrastructure. Third benefit is the GitHub Actions Marketplace. GitHub Actions Marketplace offers thousands of plugins built by the companies and also the communities. There are plugins like Terraform and Ansible, which you can use to create infrastructures. And there are plugins from HashiCorp Vault, Checkmarks, and Fortify, which you can use to enhance security. Even you can get involved as well. Lastly, GitHub Actions is built right into GitHub, which means it's easy to implement and to convince GitOps model, which is an operation framework where they puts a Git as a source of truth. GitOps model is a practice that many companies follow today, and GitHub Actions fit right in. But you might say, wait, but I don't know anything about GitHub Actions. Don't worry, that's why we'll start with the GitHub Actions 101. You can think this as a short 2 minutes crash course. GitHub Actions is a GitHub product that allows you to automate workflows. Workflows are stored as YAML files, fully integrated with the GitHub, etc. It also responds to GitHub events. There's a live logs and visualized workflow execution, community-powered workflows, and GitHub, you can run GitHub hosted, or you can build own self-hosted learners. And there's also built-in secret store called GitHub Secret. But I want to really highlight GitHub Actions Marketplace. This is a place where you can find thousands of actions built by communities and companies. And you can easily get started by just picking up your nice interface or by writing your own pipeline script. As for the key components, this diagram gives 25,000 feet overview of GitHub Actions. Once you trigger a GitHub Actions event, it will start workflow, which can be broken down into multiple jobs, where each job will run within a separate learner. And within each job, you can define a number of different steps. You can monitor the progress in live time through the built-in log feature. And this is what GitHub Actions script look like. It is a pretty simple YAML file, which is just a meta text file that just tells you what to do. You define your name, define event, and there are multiple jobs you can define. You can specify where it runs, in this case, Ubuntu. And you can define steps. You can use GitHub secret to hide the sensitive value. If you use any other DevOps pipeline before, you recognize this is pretty much similar to any other DevOps pipeline, if not simpler. That's it. In our next video, you will actually get to jump into the fun part. You will write your first GitHub Actions script, and we'll call this Hello World with GitHub Actions. So stay tuned. That's it. I hope you like watching this video, and be sure to like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting update and content on covering technologies like cloud, DevOps, coding, programming, etc. Thanks for watching again, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.